If you are an editor, a content creator, or a Capcut user, then today's video is specially for you. In this video, we will show you how you can use Capcut on your PC without using any VPN or cracked version. There will be no network issues and no risk of viruses entering your computer. However, we will do this by using a simple trick, so make sure to watch the entire video carefully. Otherwise, it may not work properly on your PC. After today, you won't need to watch any other video, because by following this method, you will be able to use Capcut on PC for a lifetime. First, open any browser and search for up-to-down Capcut PC. Click on the first website, then look for Capcut version 1, 5.0 and download it. We have already downloaded it, so we won't do it again. Before installing, make sure to uninstall any previous version of Capcut from your PC. Then install the downloaded .exe file. Now, pay close attention to the next part of the video. After opening Capcut, do not keep the app open for too long, because if you do, it will automatically update itself. Next, go to the search bar and type Run, then press Enter. Inside Run, type App Data and press Enter. From there, go to Local, then find the Capcut folder. After that, open User Data, and then go to the Download folder. Now, create a new text file by right-clicking and selecting Text Document. Rename the file to update.exe and press Enter. After that, right-click on the new file, go to Properties, check the Read Only option, click Apply, and then press OK. And that's it. Your work is done. Now you can use Capcut however you want, and it will not update automatically. You can use it without any limitations.